What's up, guys? Today's episode is going to be leveling kit and rock lights on the Power Joke here, so we can be like every other kid in America under 19 years old with a truck that is squatted in the back. That is unbelievable. All right, guys. We are back at the shop. We have a very special surprise we just went and picked up. Super freaking excited about these. Kind of very last minute, but super freaking cool nonetheless. Didn't expect to find these. Thought I was going to order them and wait on them, but we found them in our freaking hometown. Went to go meet at the Texas Roadhouse locally. They were closed. Couldn't eat. It's like 9 in the morning, but we got these things. They're freaking cool. They're freaking sick. They're much freaking needed, and I'm super excited about them, guys. So here, sitting in the bed of the Power Joke, is some Fox 2.0 shocks. We have the front external reservoirs, the rear no reservoirs. Picked these up from a dude on Facebook. Yeah, Justin had to message him because he didn't reply to me. These things have like a month on them, according to the guy. He said he towed a lot and he just did not like them. The dude tows boats and everything, but they look like brand freaking new. Like, there's only this little bit right here on them that comes off of my fingernail. Shafts look good. Everything was good. They were not like weak or anything. And yeah, they were on Facebook. Picked them up, and I'm super freaking excited to get these on the truck. They look like they have like absolutely no mileage, no usage or anything on them. Yeah, and I'm ready to put these on the truck, guys. They are much needed because look at the shocks on my truck. Just look at this. Look at that. Can you believe that? That is on my truck, and that's not gonna happen. And all this stuff's gonna get powder coated because I don't like the way it looks. This is clean though. This is really clean. I did pressure wash that. That is unbelievable. Alright, so let's throw these bad boys on. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. This is ridiculous. This thing is like all rusted. It's all chipped up from the road. It's just stupid. There's like no rust on this truck because the shock is ruined. I don't know why the shock is rusted. The shock and like the top part right here, and this isn't even metal, I don't think. And this is rusted. Maybe that is metal. I don't know. Anyway, this looks like crap, and the bushing was rotted anyway, and it's just time for it to go. So the Fox 2.0s are here. They look so much better. They're going to perform so much better, and I'm just super happy with that. So that's kind of update on what was on it and what's getting replaced with. That's horrible. I can't believe I'm just driving the truck with these on there. Wow. And
hold this wrench.
Holding the wrench?
No, this wrench.
Oh, okay. Holding.
Watch your fingers go in them coals now, because that's where I just come from.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Few moments later.
Figure all day.
Eternity later.
Alright, boys, shocks are on. As you see, we got a little squirrely on the passenger side. I couldn't get to the top of the bolt because the dryer for the AC unit is right over top of the bolt, and you have like maybe this much room. So Dad had to improvise here and cut it off for me, and thanks for his help. So yeah, Dad helped me with this side, got all this stuff done. Now I'm ready to mount the reservoirs. I'm gonna try to do a little, like, I'll show you, like, we stock this hardware and stuff. You can see there's like clips in my hand, and then some black bolts. I don't want to use self-tapping screws if I don't have to. There's like holes in the frame. I'm hoping I can like slide this stuff up in here and then put these tins on it and stuff so they're like removable. I don't have to like drill holes in the frame and stuff, so I really just don't feel like doing that, and I don't want to do that. So we're gonna try that, guys. But they look freaking phenomenal in the truck with the gray springs. They look freaking awesome. I do gotta like definitely lift the truck more or something, because it's not enough. It's not enough. We definitely got to do something else. But it looks freaking sick. I'm super happy with it, and yeah, I'll show you guys. Ta-da! That looks freaking sick. Fox shocks at the front, silver spring, wheels and everything. The paint correction turned out great. Such a super like deep black. It's great. Like it's just so deep, so glossy. You can see Rachel's parts car in the background. Very, very good. I just love it. I love it. No pinstripe, very simple. Still waiting on those decals for the back that are orange because I'm not really a fan of orange. And yeah, just looks super freaking cool, guys. I love this thing. Super happy. What's up, guys? Today's episode is going to be leveling kit and rock lights on the Power Joke here, so we can be like every other kid in America under 19 years old with a truck that is squatted in the back. So we're going to jump into that today. We have a 3-inch leveling kit for the front, so it does not look like I'm lowered and I'm on Nitto 420s to make a bunch of power, because I do not. And then we're going to do rock lights just because I think it'll be cool to see the Fox shocks. Not anything super freaking bright. We're not going to do no neon colors in this one of those colors, whatever. I guess maybe it'd be cool if I saw the orange pinstripe, do orange or something. But most part, I just wanted some like kind of dim bright lights. I just wanted some like kind of dim bright lights. I just wanted some kind of dim lights to shine on the Fox shocks, show those, and show the wheels and everything, and just kind of help fit in. I think it would look really cool doing some rollers, going on the road, towing the car and stuff. I just thought it would be cool. And we're definitely doing a leveling kit because the Fox shocks are for a lifted truck, and so I have about 3 inches of travel on my shocks, so this is going to give me about 6 inches of travel, because I definitely need that for sure, because I'm pretty sure I already hit the bump stops towing the weekend. So here's what we have in the kit. Comes with 2 bolts that need to be longer, comes with the spacers. These were off Amazon. They were like $109 or something. 3 inch spacer right here, build aluminum, put the bolt through it, space the thing out. And this was like $80 or something on Amazon. This is like a rock light kit, supposed to mount up, have the light shine through. I'm confused as why I have 1, 2, and then they want me to use my phone as my 3rd remote. So that's going to be interesting to see why I have 3 remotes to control my lights. Maybe one powers them on, maybe one does the colors, and maybe the other one does like the strobe feature or some. I don't know. I don't know. We'll figure that out in a second. All right, boys. This is jacked up, jack stand, axle down, nothing holding it. Shock is unbolted, all that good stuff. And I'm hoping the springs can come out. We got all this stuff loose. That's what another fellow on YouTube said. Area 51 Motorsports. If you want to watch the video, that's the one I'm using to do this. So shout out to them for doing a video on this. This is like 2005 to 2019, question mark, not sure, think so. Yeah, so we're gonna try this. Yeah. Alright, spring is out. Now, with that out, I gotta get the bolt out of this. Let's try this again. That's what I'm supposed to do here is put this longer bolt on, and this essentially goes at the bottom and lifts the truck. Yeah, it's gonna be fun to put this back in. Let's do it. Okay, spacer is going in. Put red lock that on this bolt. This is going to drop down from this point actually, then also drop down into this bad boy, and then this is going to thread into the truck. So let's go and set this down. So the orientation for this is like this. It's going to be sideways kind of. Keep that spring in whichever position they like. There's the little bump stops for the spring right here. So yeah, just note to self that position is going to be like that. Springs are in, lift kit's in, shocks are in. I broke a like $70 strap-on screwdriver. Yeah, this is the end of the screwdriver, and this is the screwdriver. You know, yeah, snap on. And then it says warning, not a pry bar or chisel. I don't think what I was doing was categorized as any of those. Nah. Well, nah. Anyways, guys, springs are in, shocks are back together. The leveling kit is on. I am super excited to see how it sits. If it sits like this, we're going to have a problem because I did not order a big enough one for the back, and it's going to be squatted, and I'm going to be pissed. But nonetheless, it looks pretty good. You can definitely see everything. It's not, I'm not upset with the height right now. Like I'm not too upset with the height. It's this is my mirror, so that's kind of yeah. Floor truck down and see how it settles, and go from there. All right, truck is settled down. Suspension has been settled a little bit, not all the way. And she is leveled, folks. Super freaking exciting. Super freaking happy. Look at that. Look at that. Fox shocks, silver spring, got everything. This looks super freaking good. I'm so happy with it. Oh yeah. This looks freaking great. It looks so good. So good. Okay, now time to drive it, make sure everything's still right and everything. tighten the sway bars back up before I go drive it. That's my last thing to do, and we'll be good. Then tomorrow we will install the rock lights.